Hey, welcome to another episode of Diycarmodz. My name is Jeff, and in this video I'll be doing a product review and installation and demo of this new LED headlight bulbs from Alla Lighting. Here is a close-up of the LED bulb. Each bulb is rated at 36 watts. The color is 6000 to 6500K, which is cool white. It is using CREE LED chip. There's one on this side, one on the opposite side, and it is rated at 4000 lumen. Now the build is all aluminum. There is a rubber o-ring and there is also a fan. The fan is rated at 10,000 RPM, so there will be fan noise. The chuck right here is adjustable. There is a hole right here. They do provide you with the Allen key that you can put in here and turn it counterclockwise to loosen the screw. And you're able to adjust the chuck. Once you're done making your adjustment, you can go ahead and turn it clockwise to lock it into place. Now this does come with the external LED driver. You have to connect it right here. Take the weatherproof connector and connect them together. It only goes in one way. Turn it to lock it into place. And on the opposite end is the socket that will connect to your headlight wire harness. Alright, so installation is very easy to do. It shouldn't take you more than 15 minutes to do both sides. Go ahead and locate your low beam. Push the little black tab on the wire harness. Turn it counterclockwise. Next, take your new LED and insert it into the headlight housing. You see those three little tabs that to match up with the cutout in the headlight right here. So line that up. So you just turn this around and push it down and turn it clockwise to lock it in place. And when this is installed correctly, the wire harness should be pointing down. Now the last thing to do is go ahead and take the socket from the LED and connect it to the stock wire harness. One side will have this notch, the other side doesn't. The side with the notch gets installed to the top right here, where it has a little cutout. Right. Now before we tidy up all the wires, go ahead and turn on your headlights to make sure they turn on. And there you go, as you can see it works. And here's what it looks like with the passenger side switched out to the new LED and the driver's side still stock. So as you can see, the driver's side still has this off-white color. And this right here will be 6000 to 6500K, cool white color. Okay, so now that I verified the passenger side works, now I'm going to go ahead and change out the driver's side. Exactly the same thing. Go ahead and locate your low beam, which is right there. Remove the wire harness. Turn it counterclockwise. Make sure you don't touch the bulb. If it's been on, it will be super hot. And then install your new LED. And then go ahead and take the socket and connect it to the original wire harness. Now I'm going to turn on my headlights once again to verify this side works. And it does. Alright, so here is the cutoff of the LED. The beam pattern is super wide. This is like 3 cars to the left, 3 cars to the right. The light is pretty even all the way across the beam. Alright, so that completes the product review, installation, and demo of the F2 LED headlight bulbs from Alla Lighting. I'll have the product link in the description below, so go check it out. If you have any questions, please leave in the comments below. And don't forget to follow me on social media, Facebook and Instagram, where I do free giveaways every month for my YouTube subscribers. As always, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.